Hello and welcome back to another IronCAD 2027 new feature video. This one's going to be discussing the power of the flexible assembly. So I have this digger arm here, and you'll notice that a lot of its parts are externally linked. And what's special about this piece is that these externally linked parts have constraints that are defined in their local spaces. Like these three parts in the scoop have constraints that are defined in their external link files. So this means normally, if I were to go into mechanism mode and I move this arm, you'll see here that the scoop stays rigid and it will not solve those constraints based on the direction of movement. But what we can do now is I can highlight my scoop, make that assembly flexible, and now those constraints will be honored all the way up through their external link files. Now you can see the scoop is moving based on the direction that I expected it to. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.